Welcome to Apex in 5 minutes, and this is today's user story. So, so today, sort of in this example, Salesforce will be acting as a client calling an external API. So we built a simple class called Weather Callout, and inside it we created an HTTP request pointing to the Open Weather Map API with the city name and our API key. We set the method to get, sent it, and the return response. If successful, we return the raw JSON. If not, we simply return an error message with the status code. To test it, there's sort of two options. So we could sort of run weather callout.getWeather London in the developer console. In the logs, we'll see JSON with other weather details to prove that it's working. We could also test the same URL directly in Postman. So the JSON from Postman and Salesforce match, showing that Salesforce can consume any external REST API safely once it's been whitelisted. So this pattern is the foundation for integrating Salesforce with services like shipping, payments, or even the weather. Thank you for watching.